Why more and more people come to China to buy furniture?
I'm Savory from playing Homeland. Let me tell you why. The first reason, we have the favorable price.
Many customers know China furniture have great price advantage. Chinese high-end furniture manufacturing is mature, which lets you can get European quality furniture but only 30% price.
Second, we have convenient shipping.
Foshan, only half-hour close to the fourth largest port in the world, Guangzhou, and has a complete international logistics system worldwide. Meanwhile, other goods could be easily provided door-to-door delivery services.
Third, it's much easier for you to get a visa.
China has visa-free access to 157 countries and has reached agreements with 44 countries to simplify visa procedures, making it easier to come to China.
Fourth, we are leading manufacturing ability.
Chinese furniture manufacturing, equipped with world-class production equipment and combined with advanced technology to create the most competitive price with high quality and exquisite furniture products.
Fifth, Foshan is known as the international mid to high-end furniture center.
Furniture dealers, distributors, and designers from more than 200 countries around the world come to China to import.
Sixth, the mysterious Chinese culture.
Besides coming to China to buy furniture, you can also experience Chinese culture and food. After the epidemic, more and more people travel to China. China becomes a valuable tourist destination in life as its diverse food and the rich historical relics.
If you have an idea to come to China to buy furniture, but no experience or time to make the travel plan, please contact us immediately.
We have professional service team to assist you to plan or schedule with 18 years experience in furniture industry. You could get your favorable furniture design in China.
I'm Savory. I'm waiting you in Foshan.